Daddy, what are you doing? Stop it. That's the little one. Why are you going to peek into your kid's present? Oh my God. Cyrus, is Daddy trying to force you to open presents? Yup.
No.
So Daddy, stop it.
Open it.
So put it away.
Open
Put
it.
it away, Cyrus.
Look, Dino right there.
Oh, you would. Oh my God, no. Ah! Bad Daddy.
No!
Too late now, jerk.
Oh, hurry, 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 hurry.
Say thank you to your daddy. Say I love you, Daddy.